Good morning, children. Let's continue our chapter. So, our next topic is open and close curves. So, children, if we put the sharp tip of a pencil on a sheet of paper and move from one point to the other without lifting the pencil, then the shape so obtains are called curves. So, children, some curves are given below. So children, curves are of two types, okay, open curve and closed curve. So open curve means the curves which have different beginning and end point are called open curves. See children, this is the open curve. So open curves means having this is the beginning point and this is the ending point, and they do not meet in open curve. Okay, so open curves means which have different beginning point and open curve. Okay, this is also an open curve, sixth one. Okay, the beginning and end point they do not meet. Okay, so first and sixth they are open curve. Okay, and this is also an open curve, eighth one. Okay, this is the beginning point and this is the ending point, so they do not meet. Okay children, so open curve means open curve having different beginning and end points, okay, are called open curve. Now closed curve means the curves which have same beginning and end points are called closed curve. So closed curve means which have same beginning point and end point. Okay, see children, so figure 2, this is a closed curve. ठीक है, the beginning, this is the beginning point and this is also the ending point. देखो यहाँ से ये start हुआ, ठीक है, अगेन कम बैक हियर, फिर से ये यहाँ पे आ गया, तो द बिगनिंग एंड एंड पॉइंट मीट एट अ पॉइंट. सो दिस इज द क्लोज कर्व. ठीक है, थर्ड वन इज ऑल्सो द क्लोज कर्व. ठीक है, द बिगनिंग एंड एंड पॉइंट दे मीट एट अ पॉइंट. तो क्लोज कर्व मीन्स विच हैव सेम बिगनिंग एंड एंड पॉइंट आर कॉल्ड क्लोज कर्व. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ क्लोज कर्व. फिफ्थ वन, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ क्लोज कर्व. Okay, now children, closed curves are of two types, simple closed curve and complex curve. Okay, complex closed curve. So simple closed curves, children, simple closed curve, see children, this is the simple closed curve. ठीक है, second, third, so they are simple closed curve, they do not intersect with each other. Okay, but the fourth one, this is the complex curve. Okay, and they intersect with each other. देखो simple close क्या होते हैं, curves क्या होते हैं, they do not intersect with each other. ठीक है, the line segment or curves they do not intersect with each other. But complex curve, complex closed curve, they intersect with each other. Okay, they intersect here. So this is the this is the complex closed curve. Okay. Now next is interior and exterior of simple closed curve. So interior means children, interior region means inside the curve. Okay, and exterior means outside the curve. Okay, so simple closed curve divides the region of the plane into three parts. The region of the plane that lies inside the curve is called the inside of the curve. Okay, देखो point A lies inside the curve, so this is the interior region. Okay, this is the interior region. B point lies outside, so this is the exterior region. Okay, and point C lies on the curve, so the region of the plane that lies outside the curve is called the exterior of the curve. And the third one, the collection of point that lies on the curve is called the boundary of the curve. देखो C point lies on the curve. Okay, so in the given figure, point C lies on the boundary of the curve. So the interior of the curve together with its boundary, okay, the interior of the curve and with its boundary is called the region of the curve. Okay, this is called the region of the curve. So region of the curve means the interior region, okay, together with its boundary is called the region of the curve. Now next topic is polygon. So children, polygon means polygons, they are closed curve. ठीक है, they are simple closed curve and they are made up of more than two line segments. Okay, like triangle, quadrilateral, five-sided figure, pentagon, hexagon. Okay, so look at the given figure. So this is a polygon. It is made up of, देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is made up of 5 line segment. This is also a polygon. It is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is made up of 6 line segment. Third one, it is also a polygon. It is made up of 4 line segment. Okay, and it is called the quadrilateral. This is also a polygon. It is made up of 3 sides. Okay, it is called a triangle. This is also a polygon. Okay, but 6th one, it is not a polygon because it is made up of 3 line segment. 3 line segment है and 1 curve. ठीक है, और एक curve भी है. It is not a polygon. Okay children. Now I have explained the polygons. ठीक है, first example quadrilateral. See children, this is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. तो quadrilateral is made up of 4 line segment. देखो, the 4 line segments are 4 line segment or sides AB, BC, CD and AD. Okay, so line quadrilateral has 4 line segment and 4 angles. The angles are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Okay, 2 diagonals. Quadrilateral has 2 diagonal. देखो, vertex of opposite A is C. ठीक है, when we join AC the diagonal is formed. तो AC is the diagonal, first diagonal and BD is the second diagonal. तो quadrilateral has 2 diagonal, AC and BD. Okay, 4 vertices. Vertices means point. Vertex means where 2 sides meet. तो A is a point. तो A, B, C and D. So quadrilateral has 4 vertices A, B, C and D. Okay. Now children, sides, there are 2 types of sides. देखो, adjacent sides and opposite side. तो adjacent sides का मतलब होता है children 2 sides with a common end point. देखो children, AB and BC, they are adjacent side. Why they are adjacent side? Because they meet at a common point B. Okay, so AB and BC, this is the first pair of adjacent side. Then similarly BC and CD, they are adjacent side having a common endpoint C. Okay, then CD and AD, they are adjacent sides having a common point D. Okay, then DAD and AB, they are adjacent side having a common endpoint A. Okay, so children, clear? Adjacent side. Adjacent side means 2 sides having a common endpoint. Okay, and what about the opposite side? Like opposite AB and DC, they are opposite side. Opposite of AB is DC. Okay, so they are opposite side. Then AD and BC, they are opposite sides. Okay, now children, one more term, adjacent angle. So adjacent angles means 2 angles are said to be adjacent angle if they have a common arm. Okay, like angle A and B. This is the first pair of adjacent angle. Okay, angle A and B, they have a common side AB. Then similarly angle B and C, they are adjacent angle having a common side BC. Then angle D and C, they are adjacent angle having a common side DC. Okay, then angle D and A, they are adjacent angles because having a common side AD. Okay, so children, clear? Adjacent side or adjacent angles. Now next figure, next polygon is triangle. So this is a triangle. Triangle is made up of 3 line segment. Okay, the 3 sides are AB, BC and AC. And 3 vertices. 3 vertices are B, C and A. And how many angles in triangle? 3 angles. Angle A, अगर आप angle A लिख रहे हो तो कैसे लिखोगे? Angle BAC. Now angle B, तो angle ABC. Then C angle, it means angle BCA. Okay, so triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. Okay children.